are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start SST chapter number 11 Our Changing Earth, यानी कि हमारी जो है बदलती हुई पृथ्वी. Let's begin. The dynamic earth. जो जितने भी ग्रह हैं ना, इसमें जो हमारा अर्थ प्लैनेट है सबसे यूनिक है, क्योंकि क्या है ना, जीवन इसी पे है, इसी प्लैनेट पे है. Our earth is never still or quiet. There are constant changes seen on its surface. Some changes are sudden and their impact is visible. The earthquake and volcanic eruptions are caused by the internal forces that bring about changes on the earth's surface. They add materials to the land masses either by folding or rocks, strata, mountain or building, or by sinking the land to displace it horizontally or vertically. मतलब कहने का ये है कि डायनामिक अर्थ मतलब पृथ्वी है, इस पे जीवन है, बट कुछ चेंजेस ऐसे आते हैं, डिजास्टर ऐसे आते हैं, उनसे सब कुछ उलट पलट हो जाता है ना. हमारा जीवन जो है, हमारी जो अर्थव्यवस्था है, हमारी जो लाइफ है, उसमें सडन चेंज आता है. External forces act on the Earth's surface to show definite to very slow changes. They chisel, scrap, and shape the various highlands and lowlands to bring about changes over a period of thousands or millions of years. So, do you know both earthquakes and volcanoes occur at destructive boundaries of converging tectonic plates. Agent of gradation are the steady levelers such as running water, moving ice, wind, sea waves, and underground water that act slowly to change the major and minor land features by erosion, transportation, and deposition of rocks, forming fine soil deposits. They crease out the irregularities created on the earth, wearing down the highlands and depositing the material in the lowlands. Both internal and external forces work together to bring about a graded surface of the earth. Gradation means leveling the land surface. It consists of two processes: aggradation or filling up and raising the lowland, and degradation or leveling down or wearing down the highlands. ठीक है, अब इसमें ये बताया है कि सच एज रनिंग वाटर, मतलब ये सारी चीजें हैं, बहता हुआ पानी है, हवा है, बर्फ है, ये सारी चीजें क्या है, हमारे अर्थ पे है, पृथ्वी पे है, बट इनमें भी कुछ कुछ चेंज होते हैं, सडन चेंज होती हैं ये चीजें. तो ये इस चेंज को ही जो है एक अलग नाम दिया गया है इसमें. ठीक है, तो टू प्रोसेस एग्रेडेशन और फिलिंग अप एंड रेजिंग द लो लैंड, एंड डिग्रेडेशन और लेवलिंग डाउन और वेयरिंग डाउन द हाईलैंड्स, है ना. कहीं पे हो जाता है ना, कहीं पे भूमि ऊंची है, कहीं पे नीची है, कहीं बाढ़ आ गई तो कहीं पे मिट्टी मिट्टी हो गई, है ना, कहीं पे जो है लैंडस्लाइड हो गई तो सारी लैंड मतलब वो खिसक के जो है पूरी मिट्टी नीचे आ गई, है ना, कहीं प्लेन हो गया, कहीं ऊंचा, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो एकदम से पलट जाती हैं. द प्रोसेस ऑफ वेदरिंग ऑल्सो वर्क्स टू शेप द लैंड. इट कॉजेज डिसइंटीग्रेशन, है ना. अब इसको क्या नाम दिया इन्होंने, डिसइंटीग्रेशन and decomposition of rocks. It differs from erosion because that process involves the transportation of eroded material, while in weathering, the material affected does not get transported except rolling down the mountain slopes. चट्टानें खिसकती है ना, पहाड़ खिसकते हैं, वो भी जब मानसून आता है उस पे पहाड़ों पे, हिल स्टेशंस पे. The work of a river would form features like waterfalls, gorges, V-shaped valleys, river valleys. तो यहाँ पे जो जो चीजें हैं उनके बारे में ये बता रहे हैं. रिवर टेरेसेस, फ्लूड प्लेन्स, फ्लड प्लेन्स, मींडर्स, ऑक्सबो लेक्स एंड डेल्टास. इन अ डेजर्ट एरिया द वर्क ऑफ विंड वुड चीजल आउट मशरूम रॉक्स एंड डिपोजिट सैंड ड्यूज. जब राजस्थान में हवा चलती है ना, तो कैसे रेत उड़ता है वहाँ पे, एक जगह से उठ के दूसरी जगह उसका ढेरी लग जाती है, इस तरह से. इन अ ग्लेशिएटेड हाईलैंड देयर वुड बी pyramidal peaks, U-shaped valley, hanging valley, and glacial lakes called tarns. Sea waves lashing on the coast create wave-cut platforms, cliffs, natural arches, lagoons, and sandbars. As a result, the face of the earth is constantly undergoing changes. Internal forces or tectonic forces cause vertical and horizontal movements. Upliftment and subsidence result from large and small vertical movements to form plateaus or continental plains. Horizontal movements can cause compression by pushing and tension by stretching. Such movements can result in folding or faulting of the Earth's crust. Fold mountains have upfold and downfolds. These in turn create mountains and valleys. The Himalayas in India, the Rockies in the North America, the Andes of South Africa and the Alps in Europe are examples of new fold mountains formed by compressional forces acting on sedimentary rocks. They have steep slopes and deep valleys. Where land has parallel cracks and parts of it sink, rift valleys and block mountains are formed. River Narmada and Tapi flow through rift valleys, जो घाटियों में होके जाती हैं. Sudden and more violent phenomena like volcanoes and earthquakes bring changes on Earth's surface speedily. One is volcanoes. This is ज्वालामुखी और ये लावा निकल रहा है इसमें से. Natural openings in the Earth's crust through which molten materials, rocks, ashes, gases, etc. are ejected or called volcanoes. They erupt due to excessive heat and pressure inside the Earth. The opening through which molten rock or lava comes out is called the vent of volcano. क्या निकलता है उसमें से? molten rock और lava निकलता है बहुत सारा. The funnel shaped depression at the top of the vent is called crater. Most of the active volcanoes of the world are located in the circular belt around the Pacific Ocean, known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Some volcanoes are also found in the Mediterranean Sea and the Caspian Sea, known as the Mid-World Mountains. Volcanoes and landforms. Deposition and cooling of lava around the opening lead to the formation of volcanic cones or hills. Sometimes lava can come out through a crack or fold and called fissure eruption. Lava ejected by volcanoes can be thick or thin in nature. If the lava is thick and larger than quantity, then a high and steep-sided volcanoes with small bases are formed. If the lava is thin, then volcanic cone is shorter in height with a broader base. Such volcanoes are common in Hawaiian Island. No doubt volcanic eruptions of explosive nature are harmful to a nearby human, settlement, plant and animal life. Types of volcanoes. कितने तरह के volcano होते हैं? First is active volcano. A volcano in which continuous volcanic activity occurs and eruption can take place at any time is called an active volcano. For example, Mauna Loa and Kilauea in Hawaii and Mount Etna in Italy. The active volcano in India is found on Barren Island in the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. Empty Etna. This one. Now dormant volcanoes. ये क्या होते हैं? Volcanoes that have not erupted for a long time but have chances of eruption are called dormant volcanoes. Examples of such volcanoes include Mount Vesuvius of Italy. Extinct volcanoes. Volcanoes that have not erupted for at least 2 million years and are not likely to erupt at all called extinct volcanoes. Mount Kilimanjaro is an example. This one. Hotspot. Hotspots are usually located where the heat of the Earth's mantle creates a column of hot molten material that rises until it reaches the crust. The temperature melts the rocks in the crust, forming pipes through which magma can be released to the surface. The Hawaiian Islands have many such volcanoes. Earthquake, जिसको हम भूकंप बोलते हैं. An earthquake can be defined as a sudden movement of the Earth's crust. है ना? एकदम से सपोज हम खड़े हैं या बैठे हैं, बैठे बैठे हिलने लगे धरती, सडन वो अचानक आता है. Caused by the releases of stress accumulated along fault lines or by volcanic activity. The point of origin of an earthquake is called focus, and the point on the Earth's surface which is directly above the focus is called epicenter. Epicenter. Its vibrations spread out in the form of concentric waves from the focus. है ना? इस पे vibrations होती हैं जो एकदम से फैलती हैं. The intensity of an earthquake is maximum near the epicenter. The strength of an earthquake decreases as it moves half from the epicenter. Sometimes an earthquake is so violent that it causes buildings to collapse, causing harm to lives. Landslide and avalanches are the outcomes of an earthquake in mountains. In coastal areas, an earthquakes can trigger tidal waves resulting in a tsunamis. The intensity or magnitude of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The tremors on earthquake are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. तो किससे इसकी जो है क्षमता नापी जाती है? Seismograph से. Earthquakes with a Richter scale value of 6 or more are considered dangerous. बहुत नुकसान करता है एकदम से. Precautionary measure during an earthquake. Although an earthquake cannot be predicted, its impact can certainly be minimized if we are prepared well in advance. If an earthquake occurs, keep the following points in mind. 1. Find a safe spot under the table, kitchen counter or desk if you are at home or in school. Okay? टेबल के अंदर या किचन की जो अलमीरा होती है उनके अंदर या डेस्क के नीचे. Stay away from electrical circuit, electrical wires, mirrors, windows, pictures frames, moving vehicles and elevators. तो ये कुछ ध्यान देने वाली बातें हैं. Okay, so all topics are covered here in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand it. So we will meet the next class. Thank you.